Welcome to this channel. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss Emile Durkheim. Emile Durkheim is regarded as one of the founding fathers of sociology. He played a decisive role in establishing sociology as an independent and scientific discipline. Durkheim focused on understanding how social order is maintained in modern societies. Biographical sketch. Emile Durkheim was born in 1858 in France. He was trained in philosophy but later shifted towards sociology. In 1895, he became the first professor of sociology in France. Durkheim died in 1917, leaving behind a strong scientific tradition in sociology. Aim of Durkheim's sociology. Durkheim aimed to make sociology a science of society. He believed that society has a reality of its own, independent of individuals. His central concern was social order, cohesion, and moral regulation. Concept of social facts. Social facts are ways of acting, thinking, and feeling that exist outside the individual. They exert a coercive power over individuals. Examples include laws, customs, religion, and moral norms. Durkheim argued that social facts must be treated as things. Rules for the study of social facts. Social facts should be studied objectively, without personal bias. They must be explained only through other social facts. Psychological or biological explanations are insufficient. This approach laid the foundation of scientific sociology. Division of labor in society. Durkheim studied how social cohesion changes with societal development. He identified two types of solidarity: mechanical solidarity, organic solidarity. These forms explain social unity in traditional and modern societies. Mechanical solidarity. Found in simple, traditional societies. Based on similarity among individuals. Strong collective conscience dominates individual life. Law is repressive in nature. Organic solidarity. Found in complex, modern societies. Based on interdependence and specialization. Individualism increases. Law becomes restitutive rather than punitive. Concept of anomie. Anomie refers to a state of normlessness. It occurs when social regulations break down. Rapid social change and economic crises produce anomie. Anomie leads to social instability and deviant behavior. Study of suicide. Durkheim's book Suicide, 1897, is a classic sociological work. He proved that suicide is not merely a personal act but a social phenomenon. He identified four types of suicide: egoistic, altruistic, anomic, fatalistic. Religion and society. In the elementary forms of religious life, Durkheim studied religion sociologically. Religion strengthens social cohesion. Sacred symbols represent society itself. He argued that society is the real object of worship. Collective conscience. Collective conscience refers to shared beliefs and values of a society. It binds individuals together. Its intensity is higher in traditional societies and weaker in modern ones. Contribution of Durkheim. Established sociology as a scientific discipline. Introduced key concepts like social facts, solidarity, and anomie. Influenced later sociologists such as Parsons and Merton. Strengthened structural functional analysis. Criticism of Durkheim. Overemphasis on social structure. Neglect of individual agency. Excessive stress on social order and stability. However, his methodology remains highly influential. Conclusion. Emile Durkheim laid the foundations of modern sociology. His ideas continue to shape sociological theory and research. Understanding Durkheim is essential for understanding society itself. If you find this lecture helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others interested in sociology. Thank you.